not take any entertainment tax. One. Besides that, I believe that government has asked the...
मैंने इस फिल्म के गीत लिखे। Of course, यार।
How many times, sir?
2-3 बार देखे।
लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स कैसा आ रहा है, सर? With the trailer? Any comment?
नहीं, मुझे ये फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट के लेवल से ही पसंद है, तभी से मैं जुड़ा हूँ। और मैंने फिल्म अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे देखी। पहले जब आधी तैयार थी तब देखी, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई, तो हर रूप में देखी है। मुझे लगता है बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है, बहुत ही सिंसियरली और ऑनेस्टली, ईमानदारी से बनाई हुई पिक्चर है। और इसमें जो विषय उठाया गया है वो विषय आपको, वो डेलिकेट विषय है और नाजुक सब्जेक्ट है। उसे किस बारीकी से आप देखिएगा कि सोनाली जी ने हैंडल किया है, वो काबिल तारीफ है। और मैं इस फिल्म का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ।
That Marathi films should be shown at the multiplexes in the prime time between 6 to 9 one Marathi film. So what do you have to say about this?
देखिए, मुझे तो लगता है रीजनल सिनेमा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए जो भी किया जाए बहुत अच्छा है। और मैंने अभी मुझे उस लॉ का कि पूरा मालूमात नहीं किस तरह से क्या इम्प्लीमेंट होने वाला है, लेकिन जो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है कि क्षेत्रीय भाषा की फिल्मों को प्राथमिकता दी जाए और रीजनल फिल्म्स को बढ़ावा दिया जाए, वो तो अच्छी चीज़ है, उसका अच्छी बात है। देखिए, किसी के और के जो वो कहते हैं उस पर मुझे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूँगा। मैं आपको उनका अपना विचार है। मुझे लगता है कि हमारे यहाँ इतनी खूबसूरत भाषाएं हैं इस देश में, और मराठी एक बहुत ही समर्थ भाषा है। और उसमें जो काम हुआ है वो सिर्फ फिल्मों में नहीं, थिएटर में, कविता के क्षेत्र में और साहित्य के क्षेत्र में इतना अच्छा काम हुआ है, वो लोगों तक सामने लाने के लिए प्रयास तो करना अच्छी बात है।
It's got nothing to do with the new trend. I love Mogras, and I thought the only way of having the perfume is by wearing it.
Oh, very good one. Have you watched the trailer, sir? How did you find it?
You haven't watched it?
No, I have not watched it yet. I'm going to watch the film.
Thank you.
Shabana ma'am, Javed sir, also we would want to know from you that with the new law that is being made regarding Marathi cinema that's going to be showcased during the prime time, what is your reaction from the both of you?
I think out of 5 screens, if on one screen, one Marathi picture is shown 6 to 9, that is not end of the world. There is no problem with that. But I believe that this is not enough. Marathi cinema is progressing on its own, no thanks to anybody. They have made wonderful films recently. Recently, Court has come, and so many pictures like Shwas and so many films. But the government should, at the same time, from 6 to 9 show, they should exempt entertainment tax also. That is how they will help. Not only putting it in 6 to 9 show, but the government should not take any entertainment tax. One. Besides that, I believe that government has asked the multiplex to do this, but what they are doing themselves, they should make small theatres for Marathi pictures in all the talukas of Maharashtra, where the film should be shown and no Marathi film should be charged entertainment tax.
Shabana ma'am, your reaction to this film?
I haven't read the law, so I cannot really comment on it. I think it is heartwarming that the government feels that we should encourage Marathi cinema, because Marathi cinema is doing extremely well, and all cinemas can do with a little help from the government. But I really have to read the law before I can really say the pros and the cons.
Right, but sir, ma'am, also the government is actually upset with Shobha Devi commented saying that it's actually forcefully enforced on the people of Maharashtra, that something of this sort of thing made.
I don't think we are here to comment on other people's cinema.
People in a free society, people will have all kinds of opinions, and there is no need to get upset about it. But the government has asked the multiplexes to do something for Marathi cinema. I am asking the government to do something for themselves also by exempting them by entertainment tax. 6 to 9 Marathi film, no entertainment tax.